Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I have got a beautiful 2012 Harley-Davidson CVO convertible. This thing is beautiful. An amazing bike. It's the color, the official color is crimson red sun glow with scarlet crystal graphics. And the thing is just an amazing, has an amazing paint job on it. Nice tank badge there. Just beautiful, beautiful graphics. CVOs are loaded anyway, and this one's got all the bells and whistles. Beautiful paint up front. Just really nice CVO wheels. They did put a little Willie G skull axle nut cover on there. Comes with this windshield. It's a quick detach windshield, so it'll come off. I say it's yeah, all of that comes off. This has got the little iPod cord up here in this little box, so you can plug your iPhone or iPod in, and you got your speakers here. It's got the Harley Garmin nav on it. Chubby bars. Those are actual. These bars are actually the ones that come on it from the factory. Steel braided lines. It's got a Roland Sands air cleaner added to it. Has a 110 motor with a 6-speed. They also put a set of Vance and Hines on it. The bike didn't come to us with bags, but the convertible usually has a set of bags on it. It does have the docking hardware, detachable backrest here. Beautiful paint right on back through the back. Rear tire looks good. It's had an engine guard added to it too. Pretty cool looking engine guard, the way it is sculpted down through there. It's got these fold out style highway pegs on it. Nice platinum powder coated engine. All this chrome switch housings, hydraulic clutch, really nice mirror post, CVO mirrors. Really like the windshield on this bike as well. It's just beautiful throughout. I didn't see any kind of marks on the paint. If there are any, they got by me. I haven't seen any kind of scratches or marks or anything on it. Just really looks pretty. It's a keyless ignition on this bike. Fob only. Well, that right there. No, that looks like that may be a tiny little scratch right here. Right there on the edge of that fender. Fire it off and let you give it a listen. You have to have the fob close proximity and just hit the run switch there, and everything starts lighting up. With digital dash here. Got the tack that comes around. Speedometer's right here. The CVO lights up there in the middle. $110 sounds good. You'd like to know more about it? Call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. Or go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. This bike qualifies for some excellent financing and warranty options. It's been through our shop, checked out. It's got a clean bill of health. Oh, I didn't check the miles on it for you. Let me do that right quick. Let's see. The trip meter's over here, the trip button, so you just cycle through that until you find what you're looking for. 5,147 miles. You can see the nav lighting up there as well. Sweet, sweet ride. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.